I do that occasionally when I'm very, very tired. Yes, but why did I go on your side? So I could have my green light.
That doesn't make sense.
No, because the red light's only for this lane, right? The bike lane.
No, red light.
No, you got to pay more attention. I mean, you don't even seem to know the highway code. Your lane had a green light.
The highway code is if there's a red light for bikes, then the bikes have to stop.
No, but I can go in your lane. That's lane dependent. It's a lane dependent. Here you're having a cyclist who knows the highway code better than you do. I'd be quiet about it if I were you.
I know exactly who you are. So
Yeah.
cycling bike.
That's it. How you doing? But yes, that red bike light is for the bike lane only.
No, it's not.
That's why I changed to the car lane.
I've checked the highway code.
Sure you have.
I have.
I see your nose is getting longer there. Yes. That's all right. Yeah, tweet me, at me, and I'll put this video up, and then we'll see who's right. That's specifically why I changed lanes into the car lane. Well, the general purpose lane, I should say. Precisely because I wanted the green light. Morning, morning.
Coil spring.
Coil spring. I like that. Oh. That's cool. That's very cool, but still not as good as a bike. I'm probably going to put it on YouTube. What a nightmare, everyone taking their kids to school by car. Bloody well walk, right?
One day you'll end up in trouble.
Why, you don't like what I do?
No.
That's because you identify with the criminal drivers, that's why. Shame on you. Shame on you. You are so lucky. Did you see this?
Yes, I know. So
yesterday I got notice of my 15th disqualified driver for doing exactly that.
Why would you go around doing that?
Because people like you are a flippin' liability. You're worse.
Have you seen how you behave, you cyclists?
I'll tweet about you. I'll tweet about you. What's your number? LR13EPU. Search on it and you'll find it on Twitter. Shame on you, mate. I'm the problem, but he's the one using the phone. Spoilt little brat. They're not stopping him. But that's because they're marshalled and they're all legit and they're supposed to be doing this. Notice how they've closed off the roads so there's no danger to people. Nice people.
Uganda.
Yeah, Mikey.
Mikey, sorry, Mikey.
Thank you, sir.
My kids are going to be amazed. Can I get a photo with you?
Of course you can.
Thanks a lot. My kids love your videos.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
I love what you do. Hang on. Oh, they're going to be like stoked, man.
What's your name?
I'm Sean, sorry.
Sure,
Hi,
nice to meet you. Not that I need
nice
to know. I mean,
No, you should. Sorry, it's Rudolph.
I'm very honored by you coming and saying hello. Thank you so
No,
much.
that's awesome. I love what you do. Here we go. Right, 1, 2, 3. Love it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. It looks like you've got rich pickings because they closed the road.
Albany Street, yeah.
Yeah, Albany Street. Yeah, so all
6
the
months
commercials
worth.
are coming down. What?
6 months worth.
Oh, really?
Apparently. I went and
Blimey.
asked them and they said that waterworks, there's some kind of flooding problem there.
All right, you're going to be here a long time then.
I guess I'm going to be here
Every
regularly.
morning. Good luck. Well, I'll
Have a lovely day. Thank you so
tomorrow.
much.
Have a good day.
Cheers.
Good luck.
Sorry?
Can I get Stop Hum t-shirt?
I bought from their shop. You like Stopcom?
You watching it, yeah?
I'm a fan.
You doing the same here, yeah?
Mostly with the phones. And in Regent's Park, I make them go back.
Makes sense.
There's one back there. He was on this phone driving.
No, but now, people who walk, they're on the phones as well.
I don't mind that. That's not illegal.
Yeah.
And they're in 2 tons of car.
Crossing the road.
That's not illegal either. Come on, Mr. Taxi Driver, why are you using your phone? I don't want to catch taxi drivers. You're supposed to be London's finest, not doing any of that naughty stuff. Good thing you put the phone away. First thing I was going to say is I saw the phone from over there. It's a good thing you put it away.
And then it's good thing it should have been a cycling track.
I can be either, you know that, right? This is also a cycling track.
No, it isn't, I'm afraid, because they spend
That's not the law.
millions over there.
That's not the law. The law is definitely you should not be using your phone.
No,
And I saw it.
Here, I'm not driving. Yes, you did, absolutely.
I caught many of you people using
Yeah,
the phone.
Absolutely, you are correct, probably that's why.
Hundreds
exactly
and
you are
hundreds.
Here, rather than being there.
I'm allowed in
What I'm
both.
saying-
I'm
Yeah,
allowed in
not-
both.
I'm not disputing exactly.
Good,
what
now
are.
you know.
I'm looking at the principle. If you're trying to sort of like get in hold of others, then look at yourself. You see cyclists somewhere?
So?
Everyone does it. That's the safest way. Because now the road is narrow.
What you're saying is
And
my
you're
something
putting
that's my
yourself into
choice.
danger. No, what I'm saying to you. before
The
you
people
get
who are putting me in
into,
danger are the phone drivers like you. That's why I
right.
catch
So
you.
Because I'm sitting here and you are rather already in danger.
I'm not in danger and unless you're using your phone.
Here, the car is not moved. The
Who's
truck
on
is
his
there,
phone.
And then, yeah, that's what it is. So,
Normally I tell your passengers to get
No,
another
I know,
taxi.
I know. I've had it before, to be honest with you, because I'm sitting in the station.
You have to accept that it's a cyclist's choice, not yours.
You have to accept the fact that you should be there on first.
No, I don't. It's not a fact. That's not the law in the UK.
That's what's going on.
That's not the law here in the UK.
Yeah, well,
It's not like you're going anywhere fast, is it? I had a cabbie like you, right? He was angry I wasn't in the cycle lane and he drove at me like that.
When?
On Lancaster Gateside in 2018, and he got
Oh, okay. So,
got 5
so
points.
You're still really recalling that.
He got 5 points and about £600 or £700 fine.
That's right. I got exact same thing, but then at the end
You gotta
of the
be
day, the court
careful.
rejected it.
No, well, they didn't
I
reject
won
him.
my case. To be honest with you, exactly the same situation.
You wouldn't have
like
won with this camera
Absolutely.
or the back one.
Exactly. I was
But
sitting here.
anyway, my point is,
I was sitting in the car and the customer was in the back and exactly what held, but at the end of the day the court rejected it. Simple as that, because there's no motion, right? The cab was stationary. There's no movement at all.
no,
It's
I've
very
I've
simple.
caught more than 1,000 drivers,
So
of
we
which
spend so much money,
500
so much argument, so much parliament funding, so whatever it is, and
don't deflect from your
absolutely
wrongdoing.
unnecessary. Yeah, it's really
You're
no point,
deflecting
to be
from
honest
your
with you.
crime.
There's no point. There's no point.
You're deflecting from your crime. The only thing you did wrong was use the phone.
No, absolutely not.
And I have more than 500
What
drivers
I can say to you,
caught
go to
here.
the cycle- you see people
No,
now crossing
if
the
you
road.
use your phone and I catch you, you will get 6 points.
Well, to be
That's
honest
the
with
only
I've
thing
had
you need
enough.
to remember.
I've had enough, right?
Well, don't use your phone. Shame on you. It's terrible. It's all about the cycle lane, right?